it's Tdawg here with Tdawg Trading. Thanks for making me part of your day. I really appreciate the support. In today's video, I have 3 live options trades for you, all in the SPY. I actually took 4 trades. I didn't get all of them on recording this morning. But a good green day, $351, not too bad. Had some challenges taking some profit. I'll be walking you through those. I do have a recap at the end, kind of talking through my P&L. But hey, ThinkorSwim, not having any challenges really with the platform and utilizing my cash account for these options trades. So if you're interested, let's go. All right, here we are at the market, about 4 minutes, 3.5 minutes into the market open. I'm looking at the SPY. Little update on my layout. This is the 1 minute for the stock or ETF I'm looking at. This is the 2 minute on the actual option chain that I'm looking at. Here's my level 2 for the stock. For the actual options, this is my active trader window. Up here you'll be able to see if I'm in a position and obviously which that I'm in, and this is obviously my order screen. And so right now I am looking at the SPY. I have levels much lower and much higher for the SPY, but because it kind of it came down, then came back up right we were going into pre-market. I'm looking for some type of trend formation. I'm somewhat expecting it to go down. So I have 410 puts out there. I was thinking that maybe it'd go up a little bit higher, but right now I'm actually looking for a trend formation. So that's kind of what I'm eyeballing right now. And right now, looking like, right around that 409.75, kind of was the pop. And I'm going to hope that it's going to go a little bit below VWAP at this point. That'll give me some solidarity that there's a possibility that this thing could be weak. And then, it'd give me the guts to, as it pulls back up, to enter into a position. I've got 8, I plan to go with 8 contracts. That's usually what I try to do on my first trade of the day. I want my first trade to be my best trade. But all right, so now we've got the push through VWAP. So now I'm going to look. I think I need to go the 408s. So let me grab the 408s. Here we go. All right, so now we're looking at the 408 puts. So now I'm looking at push up to possibly 409. That'll give me, a little bit of opportunity. So go gadget. All right, we're in. We got an average position at 243. Probably going to give this a little more room than I should, but let's see how this plays out. I'm a hand on the sell to stop out if needed. This thing gets much higher than 409 and I'm probably out. It's coming back my way. I want to see it break low of day. That's my goal here. I want to see break of low of day. 3 contracts I want to take off the table. It did break low of day. That's good news. I want to take some of this. Where do I want it? There we go. I got 3 off the table. Got 5 contracts left. 5 contracts left. Concern I have is the possibility of reversal at any point. I expected the weakness to be a little bit stronger. There's definitely a battle going. Ooh, gonna give it a little bit. It is liking this 409 level. There we go. Let's get 2 off the table. I'd like to see around 255 here on the premium, just because of how high it got. All right, 252. Come on, I want to see 255. Come on, there we go. Okay. Oh, out at 255. That's a bad feel, actually. I thought I could at least get 257, but okay, it's okay. So we've got 3 left. This double bottom might be a trend reversal. This better not end up being a red trade. I'm gonna set my stop. I don't like 231 though. All right, I guess I'm out. Well, that wasn't bad. It wasn't what I was thinking it was going to be, but um, it's not too bad. Oh, let's move on to the next one. So I have a level drawn at 407.20, and so before it got down to about 407.70, so I'm considering doing a partial entry here at 407. Right here, pushing down to 407. We're in. Got in there right sub 408. Let's see that reversal right here. Now I'll add to this position if it gets down to 407.20. That's 407.20 is a location I have a level drawn. Let's see, how far do I want to go on this? Nice push. Nice push. Let's get 310 from it. Let's get 310. Oh, come on. Yeah, cancel that. I think it can go higher. I think it can get up to VWAP. VWAP will give me 310. There we go. Come on. Come on. Get the VWAP. You know you want it. There we go. If it had just gotten a little lower, I'd have gotten double the position, but anyway, good play. All right, here I am looking at the same level again. I got in around 407.80 last time. I think this can push down further. So again, 407.20 is the level that I'm looking for. I think this is going to push through. Come on. 407.60. I really think I should switch to the 407 calls. I'm in the 408 calls. There we go. We're in. We're in. 406.92. I should have added. I think this is getting ready to whip. This is going to whip. This is like such a key level. 1. Come on. Let me take a little bit off the table. Take 3 up right there. All right, there we go. We got 2 off the table. Oh, wow. I have a feeling I should have held that longer. I really do. Good trade though, $127. All right, thanks for joining. I got a little bit different of a recap today. I'm having to reinstall my ThinkorSwim here momentarily. So, a lot of changes today. So anyway, I always download or save my trades. And one of the questions that I got yesterday was how long on average I was in a trade, and and that really can depend. But I went ahead and decided to put a little bit of focus in here. So I had 4 trades. I think, and ended up getting 3 of them recorded. Haven't finalized all my editing yet to really kind of see, but I'm almost certain that I didn't get either the last. I know I didn't get the last one, and I'm not 100% sure I got this one, but anyway, so I ended up getting 8 contracts. Got the 408 puts. We saw a little bit of momentum, and I thought definitely found a pattern that I liked. And as you can see, I got um, I got 3, 4. I got 5 contracts out, with a fairly good profit. Started at 243. The best I did was 262. Then, I got 2 contracts at 255, and ended up on the last 3 stopping out at 235. So small win, 8 contracts, $57. I was in there for about 14 and a half minutes. Then I got the 408 calls. Um, for 3 contracts. Pretty quick scalp there, just a little, right around 2 minutes. Then the big gaff of the day was trade 3. Then that was 5. It's actually my best winner. This should have had a 0. This should have been this, is what that should have been. Because for whatever reason, I anxiously took off, all those items off the table very quickly when I saw the burst. But I felt comfortable with the position, and honestly, I got these right around 407. Actually into 406.90, and so 407.15 was my level. And it pushed through, and then it popped up big time, and that's when I took those 3 off the table. And anyway, I just shouldn't have. I mean, the thing went from 406, I want to say 406.70 was the low, and it went up to 411, 412. I really should have taken more advantage of it. I knew what the levels were, and I just I took it anxiously. My best trade of the day, yet, in my opinion, it was my worst trade of the day. And then I just took a quick. I actually got on a phone call in the middle of this trade. I took one at 246, and then I needed to jump on the phone, so I ended up putting a stop down. I should have kept my stop at 225 because it actually went down lower before it started to recover for the day. As I look at it now, it looks like both the SPY and the Qs are really gapping up. So we're seeing some good momentum. We might get to the high days from yesterday, which is kind of interesting. But anyway, green day, 4 trades, 4 green trades. I can't complain. But anyway, the journey's still going. I still need to take profit better. That's going to be it looks like that's going to be my MO while getting adjusted and used to managing options in a cash account. So anyway, if you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button. Like it for me. It definitely helps the algorithm. I definitely appreciate your help. Y'all take care.